Today I'll introduce how to use the central control extension. First, installation. Insert the extension into the two side island rails, slowly move it backward, and plug the plug into the two ports inside the service box. Installation is complete. This is a USB port. This is a 2-in-1 retractable charging cable, and this is for wireless charging for Apple Watch. Here I need to introduce the included 2-in-1 retractable charging cable. Just unplug the Apple Lightning connector at the front. This is a Type-C charging head. Very convenient. Now let's start using it. It's worth noting that the extension cable has an automatic locking function. To retract it, simply lift it slightly, and it will automatically retract. But remember, never suddenly let go while pulling the cable.